In this video, we're going to look at the multi-clamp feature. So I would go ahead and program a part, which I've done into our program manager. So I have a part in here with a bunch of different tools, different operations, drilling, tapping, that type of thing. So I'll just close that out. So what I want to do is machine that one block, but I want to do it in 3 places on the table. That's what multi-clamping does. It allows you to machine the part in more than one place. So the way you do this is you go into Workpiece, and we'll say New Directory, and we'll call this multi-clamp, or whatever you want. And it says, hey, do you want to make a program? No, I don't. So I have a new folder in here. I just like to do this because it keeps everything neat and tidy and in one place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut and then paste that program into the multi-clamp. And now if we go to our next page, we can see we have the multi-clamping icon. So we'll click on that, and it asks you, well, how many clampings are there? In my case, I'm going to do 3. And then where's the work offset? So the offset that you specify in here is going to make them sequential. So if I say G54, the second one will be G55 and the third will be G56. Same as if I named the first one 506, they'd be 506, 507, and 508. So I'm going to pick G54 for now and give it a new program name. I'm going to call it Multi-1. Now it's saying, okay, what's the program for G54? I'm going to go select the program, Workpieces, and I will select this file. And if I just say okay, I'm going to have to do that 3 times. But I have the same program in all 3 fixtures, so I'm going to say on all clampings. And you see it's put it in there for all 3. You could just as easily have 3 different or 4 different or however many different parts in here if you wanted, and it would keep the tools in the proper sequence for all of those parts, minimizing your tool changes. So let's look at our new multi-MPF file, and we see we got a G54, then a deep hole drill and wear, G55, the same thing repeated, and G56. So it's using the same tool before it changes tools, the same tool for all of the operations before it changes tools. This minimizes the number of tool change that you encounter. Now suppose we have to make a change. We don't want to go in here and make all of those changes. That could be very, very time consuming, and the opportunity to make an error exists. So what I would do, let's say we have a change in the radius of the bolt hole, just to do a simple example. I'm going to open up the original file. I'm going to go to my bolt hole, and the radius is 1.7, but I really need it to be 1.65. I'll accept that. Now I can go back into Program Manager, and I can run my INI file. And it says, hey, are you sure you want me to regenerate this? Yes, I do. And now let's go in and look at our program. So here we can see what it's done. It's gone in and changed all of the different bolt hole patterns for 1.7 to 1.65. That's a nice feature. So I hope you find this video useful, and I will thank you for watching.